your street.
This is my street, eh?
Yeah. We have church plant on this side before,
Yeah?
but over there, on one of that building. That was before the pandemic.
Okay. About how many people live in this area? About a million.
No, I think around 300,000 people.
300,000?
Yes. In this area alone, wait, let me.
It might be more.
Because Pasay City is less than a million, around
Oh, really?
700 or 800,000 population. This city.
Uh-huh. Pasay City.
Yeah.
And your church is? It's not Pasay.
Pasay Adventist Church.
Your church is Pasay.
Yeah.
And the other one is the one the children sang at from that church.
Mamsi Church.
Mamsi.
Yeah.
Mamsi and
Mamsi Church.
and Pasay.
I'll pick you up earlier and then
We'll go around. Uniforms to school.
Yes, a lot of schools here. We have two colleges in this area. One we pass over there. It's a Wesleyan College, and the Adventist
College.
Yeah.
That egg. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, my Lord. What's the name of it?
We call that balut. Balut.
Balut.
Yes.
Balut. There.
I ate those when I was young.
Not anymore.
My age, I should be watching my health.
Exactly.
Well, whatever situations I'll be in, I'll just entrust everything to God.